When I started showing up on Google, everything changed. Clients started finding me. I cut down on marketing costs. I built trust automatically because people trust Google, and you can do the same, even if you're brand new. What's up, Notary Gang? It's your girl, Stephanie McAfee, your notary business mentor, back again with another video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. And if you're tired of waiting for clients to call you and become the go-to notary in your city, then this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you how to rank #1 on Google as a notary public using simple but powerful SEO strategies that actually work in 2025. These are the same steps that I use to get my notary business to show up on the first page of Google in my city. And I've helped others do it too. So grab your notary bag, your favorite drink, and let's lock in. Let's keep it real. When someone's on the search for a notary, they go straight to Google and they type in notary near me. And if your name isn't on that first page, you're completely invincible. Ranking on Google helps you get free leads daily, build authority in your area, charge premium prices, and stop having to rely heavily on signing services for work. And the best part, most notaries don't do this right, so you'll stand out fast. So here's what I'm walking you through today. #1, set up and optimize your Google business profile. #2, use the right keywords. #3, get reviews the smart way. #4, post weekly content. #5, build local backlinks. So let's start with step 1. Set up and optimize your Google business profile. This is your digital storefront, and Google loves it when it's fully filled out. Here's how to do it. First, you're going to go to google.com/business and claim your business. Use your full legal business name. Don't use any of the keywords like best notary in your name. Next, you're going to add your service area. For example, Houston, Texas, plus a 20-mile radius. Next, your business category. So primary equals notary public, and you're going to add others like mobile notary, loan signing agent, Ron, etc. Next, you want to upload a logo and real photos of your notary bag, ID check setup, etc. Here's a bonus tip for you. Post a few pics of you at work. Clients' faces blurred. People trust humans, not stock photos. Step #2, using the right keywords. Keywords tell Google who you are and what you do. And if you're not using the right ones, you won't show up. So here's a few of them that you can start with. Mobile notary near me, loan signing agent in whatever city that you're in, remote online notary in your state, notary for real estate closings, notary public in Houston, Texas. Swap that city and state out for whatever city and state that you're in. You're going to use these in your Google business description, your website or your link tree, social media bios, and your video description if you're on YouTube. And here's another pro tip for you. Use a free tool like Uber Support or Google's Keyword Planner to find out what people are actually searching for in your city. Step 3, getting reviews without being too pushy. Reviews are like gold. The more quality reviews that you have, the higher Google will rank your listing. Don't just say, "Can you leave me a review?" Instead, say, "If you enjoyed my service today, I'd be so grateful if you could leave me a quick Google review. It really helps my small business reach others in the community." You can also text your clients a direct link after you've provided them your service. Use a review request template with your logo. This is my business card that I take to all of my signings. I'll ask them to simply scan the QR code, and that takes them directly to my Google review link. It's easy for them. It's easy for me. It doesn't stress them out in the process. So I would suggest adding your QR code to the back of your business card so that you can have them scan it at the end of your notary signing. name. Your goal is to get at least 2 to 5 reviews per month. Step 4, post weekly content on Google. This is the number one thing that most notaries don't seem to do, and it's what helps me stay at the top. Google Business actually lets you post updates just like social media, so you can share tips. For example, what is an acceptable ID in Ohio? You can promote a service such as now offering online notarizations. You can even show behind the scenes, like prepping for a 10 a.m. loan signing. So post once a week. Treat it like a business blog because Google sees activity equals relevance. Here's a pro tip for you. Repurpose your Instagram and Facebook post here too. Lastly, step 5, build local backlinks. A backlink is when another website link links to yours, and it tells Google, hey, this business is trustworthy. So how do you get them? You're going to submit your business to local directories such as Yelp, Thumbtack, 123 Notary, and Notary Rotary. Partner with real estate agents, attorneys, or title companies, and ask them to link you onto their resource page. Join your local chamber of commerce and get listed. Here's my last bonus tip for you. Write a guest blog or an FAQ article about notarization and share it with your local news sites or community group. If you follow all 5 of these steps consistently, you could see movement within 30 to 60 days, especially if you're in a mid-sized city. But ranking is about consistency, just like with anything else. Consistency is key, not overnight results. So keep posting, collecting reviews, and staying active online. Remember, the more value you give, the more Google trusts you. When I started showing up on Google, everything changed. Clients started finding me. I cut down on marketing costs. I built trust automatically because people trust Google, and you can do the same, even if you're brand new. All right, Notary Gang, let's get you on that first page. Download my free SEO checklist for notaries. I break down exactly what to post, what keywords to use, and how to track your Google rankings. Link is in the description below. And if you're ready to take your business to the next level, check out the Notary Business Blueprint. I'll walk you through the systems, marketing, and tech that helped me grow fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what city you're trying to rank in, and I'll give you a keyword to use in your specific area. Let's dominate those search results, one zip code at a time. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!